morning, everyone. It's your maths class, unit number 1, set. Your question is, if u is equal to 1, 2, 3 till 10, a 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, b 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, elements. Now we have 3 sets. Then find a complement, b complement, a difference, b whole complement, along with Venn diagram. First you solve it, then represent it by Venn diagram. Okay, now first we solve a complement. For a complement, u difference a. Okay, u difference a means first we write set u 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, elements of set u, put difference sign, then write down elements of set a. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, bracket close. Okay, for difference, the method find the complement. Cut the same element 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now remaining elements of set u 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 would be the answer of a complement. Now we draw the Venn diagram. First we draw rectangle box. Rectangle box show universal set. Inside the rectangle box we draw a small circle. This circle represents set A. Inside the circle we write common element in set U and set A. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, now remaining elements of set U or answer of U complement, both are same. So we write in rectangle box 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. A complement equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 represent by, it's up to you, draw slash side line, vertical line, horizontal line, apply pencil shade or blue color or shade. Okay, answer of A complement 2, 4, 6, 8. Rectangle box show answer of universal set. Venn diagrams show answer of A complement. Second part, B complement. For complement, first we write U difference B. Copy elements of set U 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, bracket close, put difference sign. Elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8. Apply same method which we apply in A complement. Cut the same element 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 we cut it. Remaining elements of set U 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10 would be the answer of B complement. Now represent it by Venn diagram. So first we draw rectangle box. Rectangle shape or rectangle box show universal set denoted by U. Inside the rectangle box draw set B. Okay, inside the circle we write common element 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, common element we write over here inside the circle. Remaining elements of set U or answer of B complement we write in rectangle box 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Okay, now slash vertical line, horizontal line show answer of A complement. Okay, A complement is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 10. Represent it. Okay, it depend on you apply shade or line. So Venn diagram represent answer of B complement or answer of B complement represent Venn diagram. Done second part, A complement and B complement. Now we will solve third part, A difference B whole complement. Third part, A difference B whole complement. So first we find A difference B, then we find complement. So A difference B, simple apply same method, simple method. First copy elements of set A 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 bracket close, put minus sign, difference sign. Then copy set B, elements of set B 2, 4, 6, 8 bracket close. The method of A difference B, cut the same element, remaining elements of set A or first set would be the answer. So there is no common element in both the set, different elements, it means it's a disjoint set. There is no common element, so remaining elements of set A would be the answer of A difference B. Clear? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Students of class 8, the method of A difference B, first we cut the same element, but there is no common element in both the sets. We have different elements, it means it's a kind of disjoint set. So remaining elements or elements of set A would be the answer of A difference B. Clear? Now we find whole complement. Second part, A minus B whole complement. So we find main part. That's why we use universal set and answer of A difference B. Okay. So first we copy down, write down universal set. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. bracket close, set U, put minus sign, then answer of A difference B, this one, 1 3 5 7 9 bracket close. Apply same method, cut the same element, remaining elements of set U, 1 3 5 7 9 we cut it. After cut, 2 4 6 8 10 would be the answer of A difference B whole complement. Now we draw the Venn diagram. First we draw rectangle box. Rectangle box show universal set. Inside the rectangle box we draw two separate circle because it's a kind of disjoint set. That's why we draw the two separate circle. First one represents set A, second one represents set B. Rectangle box show universal set. Inside circle A we write elements 1 3 5 7 9. In this circle elements 2 4 6 8. Elements of set A, set B we write over here. Remaining elements of set B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Only 10 is left, so 10 write in rectangle box. Okay, done all elements. Now first we write a answer of A difference B. Now we apply line, horizontal line. Okay, so horizontal line represent A difference B. Horizontal line represent A difference B, this one. Answer of A difference B, 1 3 5 7 9. Now vertical line okay. Vertical line represent A difference B whole complement. Answer 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, only except this circle set A, whole set B and whole rectangle box, okay, represent A difference B whole complement. Okay, this circle set A 1 3 5 7 9 include in A difference B, but whole rectangle box, and this one, this circle B 2 4 6 8 represent A difference B whole complement. So horizontal line represent A difference B 1 3 5 7 9, and vertical line show or represent A difference B whole complement, 2 4 6 8 10. Done all three parts. Now class 8 done your chapter number 1 set, whole work done. Now tomorrow inshallah in the next video we will start algebra work. Thank you so much.